Some more details emerging out of Godrej Properties, where the area sold in the quarter has gone up 96% on a year-on-year basis. If you look at it on a quarter-on-quarter basis, it's up more than 150%. In booking value terms, in this quarter, the company is booked worth 1,528 crore, an improvement of 25% on a year-on-year basis and an improvement of 89% on a quarter-on-quarter basis. So these numbers are looking quite good. In fact, the company says we've seen the best ever quarter for residential sales, with the residential booking value standing at that 1,500 crore mark. That's a 25% increase that you're seeing on a year-on-year basis. Now the stock is reacting to these numbers. These are the operational details, and they're looking quite good. Stock is up close to about 1%. Keep your eye on KPIT Technology. Remember, last week the demerger got affected. What you can see on your screen is purely the IT services business after the merger with Birlasoft. A lot of analysts were talking about the fair value closer to 120, 130, etc. So I guess the stock is gravitating towards that level. And keep your eye on Arvind Limited as well, where the stock lost about 6.5% in terms of its market value last week. So there is a bit of a bounce back taking place. Let's invite our experts, Ashwini Gujral and Prakash Gaba, on the show now. Ashwini, first to you. Looks like the market meltdown continues, and now we're trading to, at the lower end of our trading range. Your thoughts in terms of an index trade?
It's taken about 3 days for us to get from the higher end to the lower end. So my sense is that while we could hang around here for a little bit, but this sort of a decline often means further decline. So that way, people should use rallies anywhere up to 10, 730, 750 to add on to short positions or take further short positions, because there's a good chance that after testing 11,000 for a while, we should now test the lower end of that 10,000, 11,000 band. So it's not too late to take short positions. And this sort of strong downside momentum often is difficult to turn around very easily. So for the moment, IndusInd Bank is a sell with a stop of 1470. Sell with a stop of 1570, target of 1500. Reliance Capital is a sell with a stop of 204, target of 190. And Tech Mahindra is a buy with a stop of 728, target of 750.
Okay, all right. Let's just get Ashwini's picks back up for you. I think that IndusInd call, just to clear it out, IndusInd call should come up for you. Yeah, let's get Ashwini's call up, not the stock. It's a sell with a stop loss. Okay, all right. We should get that up at some point of time, well, just to be clear in terms of the calls. But Prakash as well is with us. Prakash, tell us what is your trade on the Nifty as of now, and also some picks you have for us.
Yeah, Nifty target that I had in the morning was 10,672. That's been achieved. So far, the target is achieved, but still there is no strength as yet. Perhaps we can see some more downside. But I think 10,600, 620, 630, a strong support zone. We could see a bounce from here, maybe today, tomorrow, or day after. Some kind of short covering could happen tomorrow or day after, because we've seen a good 5 days of down move. Perhaps the place has to be right, but the time also has to be right as well. Bank Nifty looks more weak, can see some more slide to maybe around this 27,000 lower, 26,900, 850 zones is a possibility. I have two stocks, both on the shorting side. Bharat Financial looks weak and can see a slide to levels closer to around 875 zones. Stop above 940 should be okay. And JSW Steel is another stock that looks weak, is broken down. Possible target on the downside 260, stop above 270.
Ashwini, disclosures?
We have, Nifty February puts of 10,700, which we intend to hold on till like 10,800.